What's the meaning of antipathetic? Antipathetic. 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 Antipathetic.
The word antipathetic is an adjective that describes someone or something as having a strong feeling of dislike or aversion towards another person or thing. It suggests a deep, instinctive dislike or hostility, rather than a casual or mild form of disagreement or disapproval. When someone is antipathetic towards someone else, they may actively avoid that person or feel uncomfortable around them. The result of being antipathetic can lead to tense and unpleasant interactions, which can have negative impacts on relationships and overall well-being.